Welcome to the second episode of the D-LENS Mentorship Series. D-LENS, initiated by Professor D. Orgoina, aims to facilitate learning, nurture creativity, and inspire innovative ideas among young professionals, particularly in the fields of health and education. From Albert Einstein's pioneering work to Catalin Carrico's groundbreaking discoveries, the journey to a breakthrough is marked by obstacles, resilience, and success. Join me for an illuminating session on how to make a discovery in science, medicine, and technology. I will explore the key mindsets, strategies, and actions that have propelled some of the most significant breakthroughs in our history. Albert Einstein once famously remarked, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." Learn how visionaries innovate, collaborate effectively, and persevere through challenges to achieve transformative outcomes. Seize this opportunity to transform your ideas into groundbreaking innovations. Register to attend the session on the 24th of July 2024, by 3 p.m. prompt via Zoom.